According to recent stats, over 500,000 hours of videos are uploaded every minute, and over 720,000 hours of content are uploaded every single day. Hello, I'm Tobalom BC, and in today's video, I want to talk about something that has completely changed the way I learn, grow, and share knowledge, which is I encourage you to watch this video to the end. Please, if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share. Now let's go into the video. YouTube. YouTube is more than just an entertainment platform. It's a powerful tool for learning, growing, upskilling, or whether you want to learn anything new, or even career advancement, or if you want to explore the world, YouTube has something for you. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, and YouTube is owned by Google. YouTube was founded in the year 2005, and recently it celebrated its 20th anniversary. Now, this leads me to the next question. Why YouTube? Why not Instagram, Facebook, or even Twitter? YouTube offers various learning opportunities which can aid one's growth and development. Now, there are various reasons why I love YouTube, and one of the reasons is endless learning opportunities. You can learn almost anything on YouTube, whether it's how to write a CV, how to write a cover letter, how to start job interview, anything you can learn on YouTube. Unlike our traditional education, YouTube gives you access to free and high quality information from experts around the world. Second reason why I love YouTube is career growth and development. Many people have landed their jobs, started that business just by watching the right content. I personally have gained a lot from YouTube, whereby I was able to transition from sales executive to customer service rep just by watching the right content. Though after receiving certifications as a customer service rep, but the urge to improve myself, my passion to improve myself as a customer service rep, made me to go online to YouTube and read more and research more about customer service. And trust me, today I'm enjoying myself as a customer service officer. You can learn almost anything on YouTube. So I was able to learn how to write a CV, how to write a cover letter, how to register a job interview just by watching the right content. Now, listening to the third reason why I love YouTube is real people, real experience. One of the best things about YouTube is that you get to learn from real people's experience. Those people who have been through that journey in that your field. Whereby you get to learn their mistakes, their wins, and possibly give you best advice on how to improve yourself in that particular field. Now, this is the fourth and the last one, which I love very well. Accessible to anyone. YouTube, as long as you have access to a mobile phone and the internet, you can learn almost anything on YouTube. YouTube is accessible to anyone. There are no fees, there are no subscriptions. Just register with your Gmail, you are good to go. As long as you have a phone and a stable internet, you can learn almost anything on YouTube. So I'm so angry at some people whereby they have information on their hands, whereby they can go and learn. You don't know how to do this, you don't know how to do that. Just go on YouTube. I personally, I never knew how to start a YouTube channel. But after that, I went on YouTube. How can I start a YouTube channel? I got all the information on YouTube. Though, yes, I got some YouTube courses, but at the very first, I got all my information from YouTube. So YouTube is accessible to anyone, anywhere, anytime. You can learn anything on YouTube. Now, if you are someone who loves learning, trust me, this channel is for you. And if you are someone who loves growing, to learn, to improve themselves, and you've not opened YouTube, or you open a YouTube and your YouTube is just watching football highlights, music videos, come on. Go on that search bar, type in your skill, or type in what you want to learn. How to cook, how to write a CV, how to even write a cover letter, or how to raise a job interview. Trust me, you will get tons of information from YouTube. So, if you are someone who loves learning, trust me, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and share. And remember, learning never stops.